Hi, this video is going to be on the theme of betrayal in the Tempest. So at the beginning of the play we have Prospero talking to Miranda about how he was betrayed by his brother Antonio, and this is why they are on the island, because they were exiled from Milan, and this betrayal is what motivates Prospero to get his dukedom back. Of course he succeeds in this and he ends up forgiving his brother for betraying him in the first place. And we also have the theme of betrayal show itself at the first half of the play, when we have the plots to murder Prospero and Alonso, but of course these plots are thwarted because of the loyalty of Ariel and the men, and of course this loyalty is what stops the betrayal from happening. And we also have Caliban. Now Caliban feels betrayed by Prospero because Caliban is a native to the island, whereas Prospero isn't, but Prospero rules over him, and Caliban feels wronged by this. And of course Prospero doesn't show any compassion in this respect. So hopefully you can see how the theme of betrayal is important to understanding the play. Thanks for listening.